What is going on, YouTube? Just helping you out here. And for today's video, I'll be showing you a simple solution to the Crater Crossing mission in the FLL Into Orbit game. Completing the tasks shown will achieve you 20 points. I will first show the completion of the entire mission, and then second I will show little snippets of key features to the robot pathway, and lastly I will explain what the key features are on the robot that allowed us to complete this mission. So let's get into it. There is one main key feature comprised of smaller features that allows us to complete this mission, and that is the drivetrain. We have a free ball in the back for easy turning, and we have large diameter wheels with heavy treads for the front. Having these wheels makes it the easiest since they are least likely to get caught up inside the craters. It also lifts the robot off the ground so that anything on the bottom of the robot is less likely to get caught on anything. Finally, we have rail supports that wrap around the wheel to minimize the amount of flexing the wheels can do. So that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please drop a like, leave a comment if you have a question about something we did or an idea for a future video, and lastly, please don't forget to subscribe and tell your friends about my channel so I can grow and help more of you guys out. I'm just helping you out. See you in the next video.